Spark App League is a coding contest run by Gilbert, Arizona in partnership with ASU and sponsored by Google, where we teach students how to code by making apps and video games. Our signature event is Spark Game Jam, where we're basically teaching the students how to code by making video games. So they get to come up with the ideas for it and then figure out how to solve the problems to actually execute their games too.
I'm really glad that you guys are here. I'm really glad that you guys are interested in coding.
I really loved doing this. I got to see, there were students that had obviously never actually coded before. There were students who were actively scared about the prospect of having to code when they got here. And I watched people that were sure that they weren't going to be able to build anything, build things that work, and experience like genuine joy at doing it. And that made me very happy, because that's the core of what makes me like my job in the first place.
I'm gonna get to work on his animation of him with the sledgehammer.
We need to find 2 achievements that...
This is right up our alley. Google loves to be involved in initiatives that help prepare kids for careers in computer science. We love to be part of anything that brings people together and celebrates computer science.
I'm literally shaking right now.
So as soon as we heard about it, we knew we wanted to be involved.
We had our first junior high class involved in Spark.
And once they defeat the boss, only then is when it's over.
So now Spark is a high school and junior high level program. The students were super excited, and I was super excited to meet them and to see the projects they were working on.
Game over on the screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have a couple students who are very, quiet and reserved, and they kind of keep to themselves. And so I was noticing something that was really cool is they came to this event and they're being outspoken and they're asking questions and they're smiling and just really getting into this whole program. So that's super inspiring.
Even in just how they talk to each other and how they communicate with their teachers and the impact that it's had on just the rest of their classes and their daily life has just been phenomenal.
Favorite part of the competition is just to be here and to be around a lot of other people, meet new people, learn some new stuff about coding, and hopefully be able to use this information in the future.
There's people inside of Google coming up and talking to you, saying that your game looks cool, and that just feels really good. It's awesome.
I think it's fantastic that Google can take time out of their busy schedules to come out here, talk to us, get us, and teach us about how to make a game and what they do and the specialties of being able to code. I think it's fantastic for us as students to be able to interact with people, especially at this level.
Yeah. The public transportation and services are the same.
Gilbert came up with some art assets, characters, buildings, vehicles. There's even special locations, there's maps, there's all kinds of things that we set up for them so that they can use in their games.
The Pixel Nights for Apocalypse.
We have awards for best game design, best visual design, and then best overall game.
It was awesome. I was really nervous at first coming in the first day, but once we got started and we got our ideas, it was amazing.
This experience will connect me with what I want to do in the future, because it's provided a very large learning opportunity and to actually learn things that I didn't know how to do previously.
I see their projects, I see what they're putting together, and I see the wheels in their head turning. I see all the creativity, the innovation. ASU, our partner, is the #1 school in the country for innovation, and I see that innovation in our students when I see them working on their projects.
We like to hire people who show that they can think big, that show that they're curious about the world around them. For kids to come and be exposed to this, and the leadership that's shown and the vision that's shown with Spark App League coming from the city of Gilbert is just phenomenal.
Hi, I'm Mayor John Lewis. Are you sad that this video is over? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will never be sad again, ever.